I'm Heather and I'm going to try out the craziest eye looks of 2018. So the first look I'm going to try is the Scarlet Spider Lashes at GCDS, and I'm going to use a red pencil to do that. The next look is Satsuma Eyes from Ashish, and I'm going to start with this orange liquid liner. The next look is Watercolour Eyes at Lanyu. I'm going to be starting with a white liner and a blue pomade. So for more trend-led content like this, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you later.